So I tested the top moisturizers of the year, from cult favorites to dermatologist picks. And today we're ranking them on how they actually perform on real skin. There's a lot of marketing fluff out there. Some promise miracle hydration. Others just feel good for 10 minutes and disappear. So I went hands-on with each of them and scored them for barrier, feel, texture support, and value. If you've been scrolling TikTok or Sephora wondering which moisturizer to go with, this video is for you. Before we get into it, here's how I'm ranking them. Every moisturizer was judged on 5 categories: texture and weight, how it feels, how fast it sinks into the skin; non-greasy rating, because no one likes the residue; hydrating ingredients, the humectants that draw in moisture; barrier support, the ingredients that actually support your skin's barrier strength; value for money, because a $4 CeraVe isn't competing with a $60 spa cream unless it performs like one. Think of this as a real-world test, not a brand popularity contest. Now let's start with a classic, Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This one's a heritage project, and you'll find it in every airport duty-free, and for good reason. It's rich, but somehow still light, using glycerin and squalene to pull in moisture and fatty alcohols and glycoproteins to smooth it out. It gives a clean, soft finish, slightly dewy, but never tacky. Non-greasy rating, 8 out of 10. If you've got normal to dry skin and live somewhere cold, this is an easy go-to. Fragrance-free, eczema-approved, and reliable. Next, we have PCA Skin Rebalance. This one feels expensive because it kind of is, and it earns it. It's incredibly lightweight, almost airy, with glycerol 26, butylene glycol, and sodium hyaluronate, giving deep hydration without shine. Then you've got borage and primrose oils restoring lipid barriers, plus niacinamide, vitamin E, and panthenol for calm, healthy-looking skin. Totally fragrance-free, dermatologist grade, 9 out of 10 for comfort. This is quiet luxury in skincare form. Next, we have First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is the comfort blanket. It's heavy, buttery, packed with colloidal oatmeal and shea butter to soothe irritation. You've also got ceramide and squalene to rebuild your barrier. It's not the lightest. I rated it a 6 out of 10 for weight, but it's unbeatable when your skin is dry, sensitive, and flaking. The only caveat is there is a touch of eucalyptus fragrance, which might tingle if you're sensitive. Otherwise, it's the winter hero. Now for a budget shocker, we have e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. This is proof good skincare doesn't have to be expensive. It uses glycerin and hyaluronic acid as humectants, plus squalene and triglycerides to lock everything in. Bonus, it has niacinamide, peptides, and panthenol, typical ingredients you see in higher end lines. It's fragrance-free, layers really well under sunscreen, and feels premium for its price. Non-greasy and lightness get a 9 out of 10 for me. If you're after performance on a budget, this one punches way above the weight. Next up is Brickell's Retinol Moisturizer, coming in at $20 an ounce. It's marketed to men, but the ingredients are impressive all around the board. Retinol, peptides, MSM, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, all in a base of squalene, aloe, and sunflower oil. Texture-wise, it's medium weight, absorbs fast, with no greasy residue. And the retinol level is gentle enough for nightly use. Fragrance-free and clear, this is a great pick if you want your moisturizer to double as anti-aging. Lightness gets a 7 out of 10, comfort 8. And finally, we have CeraVe PM, the reigning champion of drugstore moisturizers. It's simple, backed by dermatologists, and just works. You've got hyaluronic acid and glycerin for hydration, and then ceramide 1, 3, and 6, 2, with niacinamide and cholesterol for skin barrier. Non-greasy, this is super lightweight. It scores a perfect 10. Fragrance-free and clinically proven. This is the formula most brands try to copy, and it's still the benchmark for balanced barrier repair hydration. If you've ever wondered what makes moisturizers actually work, it comes down to 3 components. Humectants, these pull water into the skin. Think glycerin and hyaluronic acid. Emollients, smooth, rough texture. That's your squalene, fatty acids, and plant-based oils. And occlusives, which seal all these things in to prevent water loss. So here's how they stacked up. CeraVe PM, unbeatable balance, barrier repair, and value. PCA Skin Rebalance, unbeatable texture and skin calming. e.l.f. Holy Hydration, best affordable performer. Honorable mentions are Kiehl's Ultra for rich hydration, Brickell's Retinol for night and anti-aging routines, and First Aid Ultra for the dry, irritated skin days. There's something here for every skin type and budget. And I know this sounds cliche, but at the end of the day, the best moisturizer is gonna be the one that fits your budget and your skin type the best. Don't chase price or hype. Look for ceramides, humectants, ingredients that build your skin barrier. Try a formula for at least 2 weeks before judging it and see how your skin looks and feels the next day. That's the true test. Thanks for watching. And if you want more breakdowns on skin health and glow science, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.